In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of blemishes like this. Okay, to begin, right-click your image layer and select Duplicate Layer to create a copy so you don't damage your original image. Then click the Adjustment Circle button down here and select a black and white for the black and white layer. Reduce the amount of red so that the blemishes and acne stand out more. And you might also want to increase the yellows just a touch to increase the brightness. Okay, now select the copy of your background layer and hold the cursor down on the Spot Healing Brush tool to see the available options. First, let's work with the Healing Brush tool. I don't like using the spot version because it tends to blur the image too much. With this, you want your brush to be slightly bigger than the blemish you're trying to fix. You can change its size up here with a drop down, but I'm good with the size of mine. Then hold down the Alt key on Windows or Option key on Mac and select the area you'd like to sample from. Now just paint over the blemish to fix it. Okay, now if we toggle off the black and white layer, we can see that it's looking good. An even faster way to correct blemishes is to use the patch tool. With this, you can draw a circle around the blemishes that you'd like to fix. To draw a circle around additional blemishes, just hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while drawing. Once you have multiple blemishes selected, just drag to where you want to sample from to fix them all at once. Finally, use the Control-D keyboard shortcut or Command-D on Mac to deselect your circles. I like the patch tool a lot because it allows you to fix a lot of blemishes very quickly. Okay, I'll just fix a bunch of the little ones now and then show you guys a result. Alright, this is looking a lot better now, especially when I compare it to the original. But anyway, that's all for me. So thanks for watching and see you guys next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.